Mortgage applications are down 42%. Let's call it half. They've cut in half over the past 30 days as interest rates are going up. They're going to continue to go up at least the next 6 times, they're saying, probably 8 times. So we will see a screeching halt of the market. I don't know what you call a screeching halt, but I'd say 42% is pretty damn big. And obviously, those that have adjusted are going to keep on making plenty of money. Nothing to be afraid of. It's going to thin the herd. It's going to get the people that aren't real serious about their business to go away. So if you look at what's happening with actual NAR stats, rather than, opinion or what I think's happening or what my lender said or what's going on in my market, if you look at the actual national stats, you can make some really good adjustments to your real estate business that'll cause you to capitalize over the next 90 days. Find out what those trends are, the adjustments you can make, and you're going to find you will do very, very well. Hey, I hope you got a lot of value out of that training video, and we've got a lot more in store for you as well. I want you to subscribe to this channel so we can help you to grow your real estate business. There's nothing more important than generating more closings for yourself, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. What I want you to do is subscribe to this channel. If you don't have an account with YouTube, you can set one up for free right now. Just click the little button to set up an account. You can then subscribe to this channel, and then I want you to ring the bell. That's going to notify you every single time a new video is posted to help you in closing more real estate. Now, most importantly, I want you to check the description in this video that you're watching right now. Look down in that description. There's lots of specific training that you can do right now, totally free, to get you closing more real estate. Lots of great ideas, techniques, marketing tools that you can utilize. Check it out in the description right now, and we'll see you in the next video.